In this video, I'll show you how to make donuts without a mixer in 30 minutes. And not just any donuts, these donuts are soft, airy, fluffy, and so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's get started. Add 500 grams of flour or 4 cups of flour to your bowl. Add 100 grams of sugar, 50 grams powdered milk, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Mix this all properly till very well combined. Go in with 50 grams of butter or margarine, then add 1 egg, add 1 1/4 cup of water, and go in with your hands and mix everything till very well combined. You're going to form a dough, so keep mixing till you form a dough. You might find that your dough is sticking, so if your dough is sticking too much, if you can't really work with your dough, add a bit of flour so that it's not going to stick too much. Then go ahead and knead this for about 3 to 5 minutes. You don't need to over knead this too much. Just knead this till very well combined till it's soft, just like this. Your dough should be sticky, just a bit sticky like this. So immediately flour up your work surface, add enough flour because your dough is sticky. Then place your dough on your work surface and you're going to sprinkle some flour so it doesn't stick to your rolling pin. Use your rolling pin and roll this flatter. Roll it a bit wider and flatter, but not too flat. We don't want our donuts to be very flat. We want it a bit thick, so roll it just a bit thick. This is the cutter I'm going to be using. This is my donut cutter. So I added some flour so it's easier for me to cut. Then go on and cut this. So this is how thick it should be. It shouldn't be thin. Can you see it's a bit thick? Go ahead and cut till there's nothing to cut anymore. If you find that it's sticking to your cutter, just sprinkle a bit of flour and then you're going to be good. I'm just going to take out the excess as so. So this is the excess I got. I'm going to re-roll this one just as I did the first one. So I'll re-roll this again and cut also. I'm just taking out the holes just like this. This is all the holes I got out. This is all the donut holes. You can decide to fry it like this or you can re-roll it, whichever you want is okay. Kids prefer these small rolled holes. It's actually easy for them to eat, so they love it so much. To my paper, I just sprinkled some flour and I went ahead to place the donuts on one after the other, leaving space between them because after placing them, I'm going to let this rise. I'll cover this up and let it rise for about 20 to 25 minutes. So you're going to want to leave space between them because when it rises, it might touch each other and we don't want that. So make sure to leave space between them. So here I'm going to sprinkle flour and add in the re-rolled dough, the dough I showed you just now. So I re-rolled it and I ended up with about 6 pieces, and these are the holes that I got out of it. So this is it. I also let this rise for about 20 to 25 minutes also. So this is it. It's been about 20 minutes and this is how it has risen. It has risen beautifully. Can you see? It's almost touching each other. So this is the other one also. It has also risen. These are the holes. At this point, my oil is already heating up and it's ready for me to fry. So this is how it has risen. So make sure to pick this up carefully so you don't deflate the air. Can you see? This is how thick your donut should look like. So go ahead and fry this. Make sure your oil is not too hot. So carefully place this into your oil and then you're going to let this fry till golden brown before you flip on the other side. If it fries too fast, then you know that your oil was too hot and it's going to get brown on the outside while the inside is raw and not well cooked. So make sure your oil is low because donut doesn't really need high heat to fry. If you fry it really high on high heat, it's going to get brown quite alright, but the inside is going to be raw. So go on and flip on the other side till it also gets brown. So when the other side is well fried, just as the other side, then you can go ahead and carefully take it all out of heat. Make sure that as you take it out of heat, you place in a paper towel to strain out excess oil. That's it, easy. And then you can go ahead and fry the remaining ones. Okay, just repeat the same process. After you fry the first one, your oil is going to be a bit hotter than that. You might want to reduce the heat a bit before going in with the second round, otherwise it might even fry really faster, and as I said, the inside might not be well fried. So before placing the second batch in, make sure to reduce the heat a bit before doing that. So as soon as it gets brown, you can go ahead and flip on the other side and let the other side fry also. Then you can carefully take it out of the heat. Easy donut, and trust me when I say that the taste of this thing is everything. The donut was a fast process, but trust me, this tastes better than the one I spent hours making. So just place everything in a paper towel to strain out all the excess oil. This is our donuts, all ready, all beautiful. And the smell, oh my god, it smells so good. You can even start this as a business. I know there are a lot of people that are thinking of a business to start. This is a very good one. This is one easy way to make donuts. This is our donut, looking so beautiful, and look how soft this donut is. Can you see how soft this donut is? If you watched till this point, do well to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like this video, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next one.